there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions while having a blast. Today, we're diving into the skies with two drones from Holy Stone that promise to make you feel like a pro pilot. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone, and on the right, the Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV drone. Stick around because this is going to be a high-flying showdown. Let's start with the HS720, which boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. That's right, folks, it's 4K. While you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, you won't have to worry about your footage looking shaky. Reviewers love the camera quality and mention that it's great for capturing high-quality images and videos. On the other hand, the HS440 features a 1080p HD camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. Though it's not 4K, it's still HD and perfect for casual use. Reviewers appreciate its decent camera quality for the price range and its durability in surviving multiple crashes. Now, let's talk moolah. The HS720 will set you back $249. Reviewers find the price justified given its advanced features and high-quality camera. On the flip side, the HS440 is a budget-friendly option at $129, making it accessible for those new to drones or not looking to spend a lot. Reviewers mention that it's a great entry-level drone with good value for money. Battery life is crucial when you're trying to capture that perfect sunset. The HS720 packs two intelligent batteries, giving you a total of 52 minutes of flight time. Reviewers highlight the long flight time as a major plus. The HS440 gives you 20 minutes of airtime per battery, which reviewers find sufficient for learning and casual flying. However, they do mention the shorter battery life compared to higher-end models. The HS720 is loaded with features like GPS-assisted intelligent flight. It'll return home when the battery's low, the signal is lost, or when you just can't find your way home after a long day of flying. Reviewers find these features extremely useful and praise the drone's stability and ease of control. The HS440 is designed for beginners with features like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly design, making it easy for novices to get the hang of flying. The HS720 is foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it easy to transport. Reviewers love the portability and the convenience of the carrying case. The HS440 is also foldable and portable, perfect for those spontaneous road trips. Reviewers note that it's easy to pack and bring along, making it ideal for travel. Overall, reviewers highly praise the Holy Stone HS720 for its advanced features, high-quality camera, and long battery life, making it a fantastic choice for serious drone enthusiasts. The Holy Stone HS440, on the other hand, is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, making it a great entry-level option for beginners. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep flying high and buy smart. And remember, folks, the only thing higher than these drones should be your spirits. See you next time. Product links are in the description.